Morning children, welcome back to the social session where we were learning about towards gender equality and employment of these women in different areas, which has caused some kind of equality among the societies where women started working in some families, especially due to the reservation policies pursued by the government in 1980s, especially in Telangana, for admission of women into the colleges and government jobs have led to more and more girls joining into the colleges and taking up salaried jobs. This financial liberty makes the woman to be more dignified and more respectful in the society. So today we shall see about the unrecognized work done by most of the women. Most of their work goes unrecognized. It may be their daily routine work. For example, आपका माँ को ही देखिए, you take your woman, your mother at home, whose work is gone unrecognized. If we look at the daily routine of women at home, we will realize that they keep on working all the time throughout the day. But for most of the time, the work they do is not recognized because they are not paid for, isn't it? For doing the house work, are they paid? If you get the same work done by a maid, you have to pay her. बट माँ जो है, मदर जो है, आपका पकाने के, आपका क्लोथ्स वॉश करने के लिए एंड इन ऑर्डर टू टेक केयर ऑफ यू, दिस ऑल थिंग्स आर डन बाय द मदर विच आर नॉट पेड एंड दे आर नॉट रिकग्नाइज्ड even though everyone see them working hard, but their work remains invisible to many of us. You can see that when we say farmers, we only think of men but never of women. When I say farmers, it is only men we think but not about the women. In fact, nearly 8 out of every 10 working women work in the fields only. 8 out of every 10 women working, they work in the field only. And farmers, in the sense, it's not only the men, it is also the women who work in the field. So right from the tilling of the land, you know, plowing, प्लो के वजह से, प्लो के साथ जो लैंड को टिल करते, राइट फ्रॉम द टिलिंग ऑफ द लैंड टू द हार्वेस्टिंग, थ्रेशिंग, सीडिंग, ट्रांसप्लांटिंग. So these all things, countless jobs are done by the women. Of course, it is also true that many farm jobs are reserved for the women, like transplanting करना. Seed transplanting करते नहीं, okay, ये उगाने के लिए transplanting, that is done mostly by the women and that is not the job of the men. So weeding, plucking, weeding जो है कल्पु तीयड़म बोलते, ओके, अननेसेसरी प्लांट्स ग्रो होते नहीं फील्ड में, उसको निकाल देने का काम जो है वो वीडिंग बोलते. एंड plucking of the groundnut pods, okay, or plucking of the carrot pods, these things also will be done mostly by the women. Women do these many jobs also in agriculture. A large number of farms are fully managed by the women only alone, and the men go out in search of work in the factories and towns. बहुत सारे घरों में वुमेन ही संभालती क्या एग्रीकल्चर पूरा, और मेन उसके घर में क्या करते, वो टाउन में नहीं तो फैक्ट्रीज में नहीं तो दूसरा काम देखते थे. मगर मोस्टली वेन एवर वी से फार्मर्स वी रिमेंबर ओनली अबाउट द मेन बट नॉट अबाउट द वुमेन वर्क. एंड मेनी वुमेन आर वर्किंग ऑन देयर फैमिली फार्म्स ओनली, नॉट ऑन द अदर्स फार्म, येट देयर वर्क इज नॉट रिकग्नाइज्ड. वुमेन हु वर्क ऑन अदर पीपल्स फार्म्स get wages which are lower than the men's wages. Especially even in the market also, when you see women wages are less than the men's wages, even though they work on par with the men. If you study the work done by the women within your house, अगर women का work हमारे घरों में पड़े तो you will realize that their hard work that goes into running the house. Just imagine of a woman where to charge for the work they do at home, for cleaning, cooking, making pickles, taking care of children, teaching children, nursing the elders. These all things are done by the women, fetching water and even purchasing the provisions from the store. These all things are done. How much they have to be paid for all this work? For all this work, how much they have to pay? So the reality is that they do not get paid for any of this work. Instead, they are constantly abused by the men in the home, isn't it? ये क्या काम करे मम्मी, वो क्या काम करे, we also abuse them, and not doing the work on time or not cooking it to the taste of others. On the other hand, most of the work that men do is paid and they control the money which they spend as they wish. But whereas women, even though she works hard, she is not paid and she doesn't have any control on the money being spent by the men. So things are changing now. So how the things are changing in the present circumstances we will see in the next class, and that is the end of the gender equality, children.